So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime you are. I'm going to explain to you how to recharge your account on RAGP site. The first thing you need to do is to go to your Google Chrome. You can see it right there. You launch your Google Chrome and then you type recharge and getpaid.com. Once you type, you click on enter, it will load. Then you have to log in. So you click on these three circles here, this one here, three lines. You click on it to display your login details. You can see login here, see login. So once you click on login, to come up here, you need to type your username and password. So I already have mine auto. Okay, you type in your username, and then you type your password here. Once you are done, you click on login. You have to click here, so you have to click on login to your account. After that, come again to the three lines up here. You can see the three lines here. You click on recharge. Can you see recharge? See recharge on this line here. You click on recharge. So once you click on it, it will load. So please enter mobile number. Type in your phone number or the phone number of the person you want to recharge. So I'm going to assume I'm recharging this number. Then click on you need to verify the mobile number you are sending to. So click on it, then RAGP site will bring out the site of the number. If it's MTN's, Airtel or Zain, or Airtel or Zain, or either is 9 Mobile. So this one is MTN. So the next thing you need to do is, do you want to buy airtime? If it's now, you click on this dot here, this circle here, just click on it. And if it's data subscription you want to do, you click on buy data. So what are we doing now? I just want to use this to explain. So I'll buy airtime. Once you have that, it will tell you, are you sure you want to buy MTN Nigeria airtime? Remember that we have different country for this RAGP. Is either in Nigeria, in South Africa, in Ghana. So I'm talking about Nigeria here now. Okay, so what you need to do is to click on OK button. So once you click OK, it will bring out this list here, as you can see. Do you want a wolf? Now there is time for a wolf. If you don't want, you want to dash, no problem, you can say no. But if you want a wolf credit, say yes. And now you need to select amount. How much do you want to do? You can recharge from 100 up to 10,000 naira. So I'm practicing with let's do for 100 naira. Okay, and then here you need to enter in your pin, it's called the purchase pin or your transaction pin. So I'm going to input my own transaction pin. If you like to look at it, I know you cannot get my phone. Okay, all right, so I'm done, and then I'll click on transfer. Okay, so once you do that, can you see automatically your account will just be funded? Your airtime purchase was successful. You see that it's very, very easy to do. Okay, very fast and very easy. So once you are done with this, look at my alert is up here. It's coming in. Look at it here. I have my recharge. You can see a wolf was successful. Our wolf recharge was successful, and the MTN top recharge was successful. Can you see it up there? Okay. So what I need to do now is go to my email and then look at it. Look at our wolf recharge was successful. I have 500 naira extra, and look at my top. You see, you receive your reference number. It was 100 naira that I did, and I had extra of 500 naira. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice time. Thank you. Bye bye.